Welcome to our channel, The World of Rare Treasures, where tiny coins hold massive value. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Australian 5-cent coins that are making waves in the auction market. Today, first up, we'll explore the fascinating story of the Australia 5-cent 1981 grey dots coin, a highly sought-after gem in the numismatic world. This seemingly small and humble coin has captured the attention of collectors globally due to its rare features and strong market value, especially in fine condition. So stay tuned as we uncover why this coin is creating big waves in auctions and collectors' circles. The 5-cent coin was introduced in Australia in 1966, replacing the pre-decimal system. By 1981, the Royal Australian Mint was producing massive numbers of these coins. However, due to heavy minting demands, production was outsourced to mints in Canada and Wales, resulting in minor but noticeable minting variations. These subtle differences are now extremely important to collectors, and that's where our coin of focus, the 1981 grey dots variety, stands out. What makes the 1981 grey dots 5-cent coin truly unique is its unusual surface appearance. If you look closely, the coin has a series of gray speckled dots or a textured toning on both sides, especially around the echidna design. This pattern wasn't part of the original design, but is believed to be caused by a specific combination of minting conditions and metal alloy interaction during storage or handling. These gray dot effects are not commonly found on all 1981 coins, making them distinctive and highly collectible when preserved in fine condition. When it comes to rarity, the gray dots version of the 1981 Australia 5-cent coin has become a hot topic in coin circles. Many collectors and auction houses are now on the lookout for these coins in fine to very fine condition. Since they were not officially released as a separate variety and were only identified much later, they are naturally scarce. That rarity, combined with their visually distinct appearance, has driven a sharp increase in collector interest and demand. In today's auction market, the value of this coin can surprise many. The grey dots variant in fine condition can sell anywhere between $67,000 or even higher, depending on clarity, preservation, and demand at the time of auction. Some verified pieces have fetched even more in private sales or online coin forums, especially when accompanied by expert grading or provenance. For collectors aiming to add this unique coin to their collection, here's a helpful tip. Always inspect your 1981 5-cent coins carefully under good lighting. The gray dots appear as natural speckles or dull spots, but they must be uniform and not caused by damage or corrosion. Keeping coins in non-reactive holders and avoiding moisture will help preserve their condition and value over time. And don't forget, coins with certified grading always get more attention in auctions, so it's worth getting your coin professionally evaluated. The Australia 5-cent 1981 grey dots coin is a powerful example of how a simple variation can turn a common coin into a rare collector's item. Its historical background, visual uniqueness, and growing demand make it one of the hidden gems of the Australian coin world. If you come across one in your old collection or change jar, don't overlook it. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating story behind the Australia 5-cent 2001 coin with brown dots in fine condition. This coin may look ordinary at first glance, but don't be fooled, it holds surprising value in the current auction market. Whether you're a seasoned coin enthusiast or just starting out, this is one coin you absolutely need to know about. The history of the 2001 Australian 5-cent coin begins with its issue during the turn of the millennium, a symbolic and transitional time in Australian currency production. Minted at a time when coin quality control was evolving, the 5-cent coin from 2001 became notable among collectors due to certain unexpected variations, one of which is the appearance of mysterious brown dots. While standard coins were produced in the millions, it's these kinds of unique traits that set some coins apart and make them prized possessions in the hands of collectors. What makes this coin particularly fascinating is the presence of the brown dots, which are not part of the original minting process. These dots appear due to a specific chemical or environmental reaction, often during long-term storage, and are now considered a rare and collectible characteristic by numismatists. Coupled with the coin's overall fine condition, this imperfection transforms into a sought-after feature. Its classic echidna design by Stuart Devlin remains unchanged, But it's this small visual deviation that pushes the coin's value far beyond face value. Collectors around the globe are constantly on the lookout for anomalies like these, and the 2001 Australia 5-cent coin with brown spots is one of the hidden gems in the Australian decimal coin series. The rarity lies in its condition and the clarity of the brown spots. Many coins exist, but only a few maintain these features while remaining in fine to very fine condition. This level of preservation makes them highly appealing to collectors who value both uniqueness and quality. In today's market, these rare 2001 Australia 5-cent coins are fetching impressive figures at online auctions and collector forums. Depending on the clarity of the brown dots and the coin's condition, the value can range from $55,000 with exceptional examples going even higher. The market for such coins is growing fast, especially as more collectors become aware of these subtle varieties and their increasing scarcity. For collectors looking to invest in this coin, the key is to look for pieces that have evenly distributed brown spots and minimal wear, with all design details still sharp and visible. Storing these coins in climate-controlled environments can help preserve their condition. Also, always authenticate any purchase with a reputable seller or third-party grading service to ensure you're acquiring a genuine piece with collectible value. The Australia 5 cents 2001 brown dots coin in fine condition is more than just small change. It's a big treasure in the world of rare coins. Its growing demand in today's auction market, combined with its unique visual character and historical context, makes it a must-have for serious collectors. Keep an eye out for this hidden gem in your coin collection. You might just be holding on to something far more valuable than you think. Next up, we are diving into the fascinating world of the Australia 5 cents 1978 coin, specifically the one with a gray layer and in fine condition. This seemingly ordinary coin is now making waves in the collector's market and turning heads in auctions with its surprising dollar value. If you think a small coin can't carry a big price tag, think again, because this one is proving to be a gem in disguise. The 1978 Australian 5-cent coin carries a rich and interesting background. Introduced after decimalization in 1966, the 5-cent coin became a staple of Australian currency. But the 1978 edition stands out for several reasons. During this era, the Royal Australian Mint was maintaining high minting standards, and yet some coins developed unique traits over time due to natural oxidation or minting anomalies. Among those, the gray layer variant of the 1978 Australia 5-cent coin has captured the attention of numismatists worldwide. Its origin may stem from a chemical reaction with air or subtle variations in the metal composition, making it a standout from the rest of the batch. What sets this coin apart is not just its age, but its distinctive gray tone layer, which gives it a unique patina and appearance. This natural or environmental transformation adds to its charm, making it unlike any other regular 5-cent piece. On one side, it features Queen Elizabeth II's portrait, while on the reverse, the iconic echidna remains sharply detailed, which is a beloved symbol of Australia's fauna. The fine condition of this coin means it has retained much of its original design, with visible and crisp details, enhancing its desirability among collectors. The rarity of this particular coin lies in its color variation and condition. While millions of 5-cent coins were minted in 1978, only a very small fraction show this unique gray layer combined with preserved fine detail. This rare combination significantly raises its status in the eyes of collectors. Coins in this condition are getting harder to find, especially as the years pass and most circulated coins degrade over time. That's why this variant has become a highly demanded collectible in the auction market, attracting serious interest from around the world. Now let's talk about the numbers. In recent online auctions and numismatic marketplaces, the Australia 5 cents 1978 gray layer coin in fine condition has been fetching anywhere from $78,000 depending on its appearance and preservation. Some exceptionally well-kept pieces, or those with slightly more distinct layering effects, have even surpassed these values in bidding wars. As more collectors become aware of its value, prices are expected to climb even higher. For collectors, the key to maximizing the value of this coin is to ensure it remains in the best condition possible. Store it in a dry, airtight environment, ideally in a protective sleeve or capsule. Avoid cleaning it, as original patina adds to its uniqueness and value. Also, get your coin professionally graded if you are serious about selling or showcasing it in auctions. This can dramatically increase its market appeal and final bid price. The Australia 5 cents 1978 gray layer coin in fine condition is a hidden treasure with growing demand in today's rare coin market. Its historical significance, unique appearance, and rising auction value make it a must-have for passionate collectors and investors alike. So if you come across this coin in your old collection or pocket change, don't overlook it. This small piece of metal could carry a big opportunity. Next up, we're diving into a truly fascinating and highly sought-after piece of numismatic history, the Australia 5 cents 1993 coin in silver, shine fine condition. This coin, though small in size, is making a huge impact in today's collector's market with its rising value and rare appeal. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, this video will give you everything you need to know about this amazing coin and why it is in high demand right now. The story of the 1993 Australian 5 cent coin begins with the Royal Australian Mint's consistent production of everyday currency. While the 5 cent coin is a common denomination, the 1993 issue holds a special place among collectors due to its relatively low mintage and unique features. In that year, economic conditions resulted in fewer coins being required for circulation, making the 1993 version one of the scarcer releases in the modern Australian decimal coinage era. Over time, this has turned what might have been considered ordinary into something truly extraordinary. One of the standout characteristics of the 1993 Australia 5 cent coin is its brilliant silver shine, especially when found in fine or uncirculated condition. This stunning finish gives the coin an eye-catching brilliance that sets it apart from typical circulated examples. The coin features that classic design by Stuart Devlin, the beloved echidna on the reverse, and the elegant portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, designed by Raphael Maklouf. The silver-like shine, combined with clean edges and sharp strike, adds a level of premium appeal that collectors absolutely love. Rarity is what really fuels the demand for the 1993 Silver Shine 5 cent coin. With lower mintage numbers that year and a high attrition rate due to circulation, finding one in fine condition with its original luster intact is quite rare. Collectors particularly hunt for coins that are well preserved, with minimal wear, and that retain their original mint brilliance. These high-grade pieces are extremely limited, and when they appear in auctions or private sales, they tend to be snapped up quickly by enthusiastic buyers and investors. In today's active numismatic market, the value of a 1993 Australian 5 cent coin in fine silver shine condition can surprise many. Depending on its condition and visual appeal, these coins are currently valued anywhere from $53,000 and in some cases even more at specialty auctions. Those with superior eye appeal, untouched surfaces, and strong luster are commanding premium prices, showing a clear upward trend in value and collector interest. For collectors looking to add this gem to their portfolio, the key is to focus on condition and authenticity. Always inspect the coin under good lighting to identify the shine and look for sharp details. Using a protective holder or capsule will help maintain its brilliance over time. Buying from trusted sellers or verified dealers ensures you are getting a genuine piece. It is also smart to compare recent auction prices to make informed decisions and to join online collector groups where rare finds and market trends are often shared. The Australia 5 cents 1993 silver shine coin is much more than just small change. With its beautiful finish, historical value, and rising market demand, it is a coin that deserves attention from serious collectors. So if you come across this coin in fine condition, consider it a lucky find and maybe even a smart investment. Next up, we uncover the fascinating and profitable story behind the Australia 5 cents coin from 1983 in fine condition. This is not just any regular coin. It's a silent treasure hiding in plain sight. And in today's auction market, its value is turning heads among collectors and investors alike. The 1983 Australian 5 cent coin holds a special place in numismatic history. Introduced in 1966 during the decimalization of Australian currency, the 5 cent coin has long been an essential part of everyday transactions. But by 1983, production methods, demand changes, and minting volumes made this year's coin stand out. Although it was widely circulated, the real story lies in the condition and survival rate of fine and higher grade pieces. This year has gained attention for its low survival in pristine condition and rising market value. What sets the 1983 Australia 5-cents coin apart is not only its vintage, but its elegant design. Featuring the classic echidna on one side, a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife, and the regal portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the other, this coin captures both national pride and historical legacy. The coin's copper-nickel composition and small size make it durable, but finding one with minimal wear and crisp details, especially in fine condition, is increasingly rare and desirable among collectors. When it comes to rarity, the 1983 edition has built a reputation over the years. While it was produced in large numbers initially, most coins entered regular circulation and suffered the usual wear and tear of daily use. That's why fine condition examples are now in high demand, with only a limited number surviving in this collector-worthy state. Collectors look for coins with strong edges, minimal scratches, and full design visibility, and the 1983 Australia 5 cents in finer, better condition ticks all the boxes. In today's auction market, a fine condition 1983 Australian 5-cent coin can attract impressive bids. Coins with excellent eye appeal and fine grading have been fetching anywhere from $35,000 depending on presentation and demand. Exceptional specimens, especially those graded and authenticated by professional services, have even seen higher figures. This is proof that a coin worth just a fraction can multiply in value many times over. For collectors, the key is attention to detail. Always examine your coin under proper lighting to check for clarity in the design and minimal surface damage. Keep your rare coins stored safely in a dry, acid-free environment or coin holders to preserve their condition. And if you are aiming for higher returns, consider professional grading to authenticate and maximize your coin's market potential. The Australia 5 cents 1983 coin, in fine condition, it's a hidden gem in the collecting world. Its history, design, rarity, and increasing market value make it a must-have for serious collectors and a smart opportunity for new enthusiasts. Don't underestimate the power of small coins. They might just be your gateway into the exciting world of numismatic investing. Thanks for watching. If you have a 1983 5-cent coin, make sure to give it a closer look. It might be worth more than you ever imagined. Stay tuned for more coin stories, market updates, and collector tips right here on our channel.